Hi, this is HK from Bott Storage Systems. I'm here to showcase our latest build that we just completed for Hindmarsh Fleet, and I'm just going to step you through the build. We have our sealed ventilated gas cabinet over here. So just open and close. It's got provision for lashing your gas bottles inside as well. Keep them nice and secure. Inside we have again just a standard shelf system containing 4 shelves. Rubber mat is standard inclusion. This is our Bott fold out vice unit. All you have to do to operate it is pull a knob, and that just folds out of your vehicle so you can work on the side of the road. So the floor solution here is our crash tested flooring system. The racks are bolted down to that floor. The floor is secured down to the vehicle. The customer has opted for an optional rubber mat as an additional extra. We also have a floor vent and a roof vent, omnidirectional roof vent, which is a Bott roof vent for ventilation. But rear window grille for the Toyota Hiace, and we also have a side window grille on the side door. And our van racking systems are compatible with OEM cargo barriers and vapor partitions should you require one. And here we have our Gitchem tradie rack with high sides, so you can strap stuff, long items, large items down. We have the optional storage tubes as well on both sides. If you need a fit out for your fleet, get in touch with Bott Storage System and Gitchem.